This space is a big transformation. It used to house only 2 cars, and we've extended it to fit 3 cars, specifically this Lamborghini. Hi guys, we're here now at Beverly Heights, Ampang Jaya. We have a new project for you that is very worthy of your attention. Come on! When you enter this luxurious home, you will be welcomed by this foyer area. So this is the shoe cabinet with the display of the client's multitude of branded shoes. Also, we have this feature wall that is going to welcome you into the living area. Welcome to luxury living. This space has been custom curated and selected from top to bottom. From the chandelier down to the decors and the loose furniture, we selected everything with the client's approval. When the client approached Klaas for a design insight, his wish list is of dark colored tone, classic and also luxurious. But we wanted to take it to the next level. So we have here our best yet TV cabinet design with this unique marble stone lighted at the back, an organic shape frame feature and also this fireplace design. The dining area is very important to the client. He wants to spend time here with his family during dinner and also entertain his guests. So this long dining area has been ordered custom-made, 9 feet length and has 10 seats. Apart from the dining area of loose furniture selections, we have decorated the space with this beautiful ceiling design and selected chandeliers. Every luxurious house wants a dry kitchen. So this space has ample seating for 3 persons and we have another smart sink for the client to use. Hidden with a pull-out tap. From the living area, we have a hidden surround. So as you can see, it fits 3 persons perfectly. It's just for the client to have a private prayer space for him and also his family. Over here, we have 2 very beautiful Islamic art woven by metallic thread. When designing the wet kitchen, the client still wants class with functions in it and he likes black. So we have to somehow have a balance and not make the room look dark. So if you notice about this wet kitchen is that it's very spacious. The client wants to be able to move around it very fluidly and if they have big functions. And we have a lot of hidden corner storages and pull out for the clients. Very nicely hidden. And for this area, the client wanted to have a small breakfast nook that can fit about 2 to 3 persons. To further elevate this corner breakfast nook, we added bottom lights to make it even more elegant. Our client insists on having a smart sink. So you can actually clean a lot of your household items, including disinfecting and also cleaning food items and dishwares. We have something very special here from the wet kitchen going upward. This is an operable roof that can be closed and open, and it has lighted LED and it connects to your phone through a smart feature. Again with the dark theme, the client wants this to be a dramatic space. So we have red dramatic curtains with deeply accented loose furniture. So this home office is personally used by the clients and he works from home a lot. So the styling has very high classical elements to it, but we wanted to bring it to a modern level and modern touch. So we updated the furnishing and also the selections and patterns of everything, but we keep some of the classical elements of the design like this coffered ceiling, the chandeliers and also all the wood furniture. So the nice things about this home office is we bring the outside in and then we have this herringbone flooring. It's actually waterproof and it seamlessly connects to the outside space, where we have these composite wood decks for outdoors. So from here we have the swimming pool and you can walk straight to the landscape area, no problem. Our client really loves a landscape, and this Japanese-inspired landscape is one of the must-have that the client wants. And over here, we made the space even more special with a private shower area to be used for the pool. This space is a big transformation. It used to house only 2 cars, and we've extended it to fit 3 cars, specifically this Lamborghini. The most challenging part to extend this space is to actually have a very strong structure that is very long. So we use an I-beam structure to connect from one end to the other end, and we have a new column to really strengthen this whole roof. Here we are at the first floor of the house. We have 3 bedrooms here. So the first one that you're seeing is the guest bedroom. So this bedroom really encompasses that boyish yet masculine kind of vibe and character. So we added a lot of whites into the space, but also this very deep green color. Since the client loves the classical elements, we try not to fully remove it from the space. So in this room, we have wainscoting design, wood, but we match it with a lot of the modern elements of the color, such as this deep green as I mentioned before, and also the brass color. Entering the second bedroom of this floor, it's a pink paradise for a little girl. We have a queen-size bed that can accommodate a girls' party, a loft play area, and each of these sets have storage drawers for the children to use to store toys. And now, the best part of the house, the master bedroom. So the client wanted something dramatic, but we didn't want it to be too over the top. Like here in the bed head design, we have it in actually 2 different tone of fabric colors, and this one is made to be non-pattern, and this one has a diamond shape pattern. And over here we have a custom-made veneer starburst design door panel. We also have hidden cabinetry for the client's use. Connect to the window bench area. The TV cabinet design was made not to take away the focus from the main feature of the bedroom, which is the bed head, but it is still beautiful. We have this marble design wall paneling and complemented with this decor display cabinet, and also all of this display case for the client's beloved items. Through here, we'll go into the walk-in wardrobe. We're divided here into 2 distinct areas. This area is for the lady of the house. We have vanity here, and for her cosmetics and jewelry in a beautiful dressing table area. And on this side, we have the men's space. Over here, all of the client's beloved items and clothes are stored neatly, and we have a space for jewelry and also for watches. Here we have the master bathroom. We have a jacuzzi here. With a massage function, we have the master bathroom vanity cabinet, complete with touch control mirror light. Over here we have a very big space for the client's pleasure to have a shower. Each bathroom in this house has the same thermal shower, which has a body water jet function and also rain shower. So there you have it, our latest project that we're very proud of. For a reminder, if you have a big dream, we can match that dream for you, as long as you're willing to have the adventure that you want. So don't forget to subscribe, follow us at Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you soon. Bye!